How to hide a post in Instagram. There are a few different ways to do it. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all of your posts. One option to hide a post is to archive it. To do this, find the post you want to hide and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, select Archive. This will remove the post from your profile, so no one will be able to see it, but it will still be saved in your archive. You can access it later by going to your profile, tapping on the three lines in the top right and selecting Archive. If you want to prevent a specific person from seeing your posts without hiding them from everyone, you can remove them as a follower. To do this, go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy, then Account Privacy. If your account is not already private, switch it to a private account. That's how to hide a post in Instagram.